Hey there, and welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to break down a really important starting point for anyone looking to build a career in the cloud, the Microsoft MS-900 Fundamentals Certification. You know, it's no secret that the modern workplace runs on the cloud. But let's be real, with all the different services and certifications out there, it can feel pretty overwhelming to figure out where to even begin. And that's exactly what we're going to tackle today. So let's get into it. All right, so first things first, let's establish what the MS-900 certification actually is. So what exactly is the MS-900? The best way to think about it isn't as some super technical deep dive IT exam. Instead, think of it more like learning the language of the modern cloud. It's really designed to test your understanding of the big picture, the core concepts of Microsoft 365, and you don't need any hands-on IT experience to get started. And this is a really crucial distinction, right? The MS-900 is all about the what and the why of Microsoft 365. It gives you that solid conceptual framework. This makes it the absolute perfect starting point before you dive into those more advanced certifications that are all about the how, the nitty-gritty of implementing and managing all these services. Okay, so what are you actually going to learn when you go for this? Well, the MS-900 covers a whole range of concepts that are basically the building blocks for any modern digital workplace. Let's take a look at the key areas. All right, first up, you've got the stuff we all know, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. But the key thing here isn't just knowing what they do. It's understanding them as part of the Microsoft 365 subscription model. This means they're evergreen. They're always up to date with the latest features. It's a huge change from the old days of buying software in a box once every few years. Next up is collaboration, which is a huge piece of the puzzle. You'll really get to grips with how all these tools are designed to work together. So Teams is your main hub for chats and meetings. SharePoint is the powerhouse behind the scenes, handling all your Teams file storage. OneDrive is your personal cloud space, and Yammer is kind of like an internal social network for your whole company. And now, for what is, honestly, probably the most important piece of this whole thing, security. You're going to learn how Azure Active Directory is like the bouncer at the door, managing who gets in. You'll see how multi-factor authentication adds that crucial extra lock. And you'll get your head around the zero trust model, which is a modern approach that boils down to one simple rule. Never trust, always verify, for every single person and device trying to access your stuff. Okay, so you learn all these concepts, that's great. But why does any of it matter? What's the actual advantage for your career? Let's get into that. Seriously, think of this certification as a huge, bright sign you're holding up for employers. It tells them, hey, I get it. I understand the core technologies that businesses like yours rely on every single day. It's your ticket into the world of IT administration and the perfect launchpad for more specialized advanced certifications later on. And it's not just us saying this. The professional community out there totally gets it. Like this one person on Reddit put it, investing in knowledge is never wasted. Taking the time to build this foundational understanding really is a smart investment in your career, especially if you're just getting started. Oh, and here's a really nice bonus, something you'll definitely appreciate. Unlike a ton of other tech certs that make you retest every couple of years, the MS-900 is for life. You earn it once, and it's yours, for good. All right, so let's say you're fired up and ready to go. You want this certification. What's the plan? Let's map out a clear, actionable roadmap to get you there. Look at this chart. This is basically your cheat sheet for studying. As you can see, the two biggest pieces of the pie are security and the core M365 services. If you can really nail those two areas, you are already well on your way to passing this thing. And you know what the best part is? The path to passing is super straightforward. Start with the official Microsoft Learn materials. Seriously, they're free and they're made specifically for this exam. Once you've gone through those, take as many practice exams as you can find. They're absolutely the best way to figure out what you don't know so you can fix it before the real test. Okay, so when the big day finally arrives, just take a breath and remember a few simple things to keep the stress down and let you do your best. Log in early, don't rush through the questions, read them carefully, and most importantly, just trust the prep work you've put in. You've got this. But here's the thing to remember. Earning the MS-900 isn't the finish line, not even close. It's actually the starting line for a much bigger journey. The MS-900 is your launch pad, right? From here, you can branch out in so many directions. You could explore other fundamental certs like the AZ-900 for Azure or the SC-900 for security. Or you can use this as the very first step on a direct path toward a really high-level expert role, like the M365 Enterprise Administrator. So there you have it. That's the MS-900 in a nutshell. It's so much more than just a piece of paper. It's your map to understanding the modern cloud. You now have that foundational knowledge you need to navigate this whole exciting landscape and start building your future in tech. The only question left is, where are you going to go first?
For free MS-900 practice test, you can either click the link in the description or simply scan the QR code on the screen.